Thank you for
Thank you for
1K
1K
subscribers.
subscribers.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello my dear new parents, welcome back to Baby Sister. Hope you all are safe and good. First of all, let me share a happy news with you all. Our channel has reached 1000 subscribers. Without your love and support, Baby Sister wouldn't have reached this milestone. So I am expressing my heartfelt thanks to each and every viewer who has subscribed to my channel and helped me to grow this much. So if you feel this channel is really helpful, please do share to your friends and family and all the new parents you know. Thank you so much for this love and support, and I am expecting the same love and support throughout this journey. Let Baby Sister grow along with your baby. As our channel reached the first milestone, I thought of share our baby's growth milestone, first growth milestone, that is 0 to 3 month growth development. So in this video, I am going to share our information based on this. If you want to know further on this topic, please do watch till the end. Before that, if you are watching me for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get update whenever I post a new video. The first 3 months of our baby's physical development will pass very quickly than we have ever imagined. During this time, we can notice growth in baby's appearance, sensory development and motor abilities. As our baby grows, the baby should reach certain social, physical and emotional development. As a parent, we should analyze whether our baby is reaching those milestones in correct period. First, let me explain the development from birth to 1 month. During this period, our baby development is pretty much limited. The first thing that you will notice in your baby development is the weight loss, because the baby will lose up to 5 to 7% of birth weight during the first week, because they will lose so much of fluid during the first week. But after that, you can notice your baby will return to the birth weight. During this period, our baby can do few essential things like moving their hands and legs together, and they will keep their fingers closed, and they can clench our hands to make a tight fist. If you clap at them, they should blink their eyes, and they can identify the smell of their mother's milk. During the second month, our baby will try to raise their head, even though they do not have much neck muscle. You can easily notice that when you are having your baby on shoulder, they will try to raise their head, but they couldn't. But this is a superb sign of development and new strength. The second thing is, you can notice your baby moving from their lying positions. You can easily identify this thing when you are changing dress or nappies to your baby. The next thing you can notice during this duration is they can able to grasp small things like some soft toys and clothes. But the fun here is they don't know to let it go off from their hand. The most important and pleasant thing happened during this duration. You can see your little bundle of joy smiles at you for the first time. When talking about visual development, for the first 4 weeks, babies can easily visualize black and white color. And after 4th week, babies can visualize all the primary colors, and they can able to visualize all the big shapes. And about hearing development, they can able to identify and differentiate the most familiar voices. During this period, babies' movement become less jerky and more coordinated. They start to kick things when they are lying down. And also during this period, babies begin to explore their own hand. They start to wave their hands when they are lying down, and you can see your baby moving around from their bed space. The most important and most noticeable development in this period is babies develop their salivary glands, and some babies begin to drool. Not all the babies will do, but some babies will do. This may look some mess up, but it is a really wonderful sign of your baby's development. By this time, babies will set up into a proper sleep routine. But do not expect your baby to sleep throughout the night. Surely they will get up in the late night and disturb you. By 3 months, babies begins to explore things around them. Their brain can able to make thousands of connections in a second. By this time, they can able to make smoother movements with their legs, and also they learn to unclasp the things that they grasp. By this time, you can able to sense that your baby starts to loose up their finger, and you can sometimes notice the open hand of your baby. By this time, you can notice your baby has fully raised their head, and they can able to turn their head towards the direction of sound. In the meantime, they might be startled by loud noises too. When you are giving tummy time to your baby during 3rd month, you can able to see that your baby tries to rise up their body from lying position. Like push-ups, they will rise their body by using their arms and knees. During this month, they should able to roll from their front to back and back to front. While talking about visual development, they start to follow big objects that crosses in their visual line, and also they begin to keep things on their mouth to recognize the shape of that thing. By this time, baby starts to pay attention to faces. They can easily identify some familiar faces, and also they can identify some people like their siblings and grandparents other than their parents. In this period, they begin to show some expressions like boredom, excitement, and so on. The most important development during this period is babies start to bear some weight on their legs. When you are holding your baby in this position, you can able to notice your baby will try to reach out the floor, or they start to kick the things that are down. By the end of 3rd month, you can able to see your baby rising up their head, their neck muscles become strong, and they can able to roll from front to back. And you can see your baby differentiates familiar faces and voice. You can notice some silly expressions like boredom, excitement, and they begin to show so many expressions, and they begin to make so many funny noises like cooing. They begin to observe the surrounding and the objects near them. These are all the common and basic symptoms of our baby's growth and development. Some babies might be showing these symptoms earlier, while some babies may delay on this. Do not disturb your baby to show these symptoms. Let your baby to grow on their own pace. If your baby shows too much delay to show this symptom, then consult your pediatrician for further reference. I hope this video would be very helpful for you new parents. If so, please give a huge thumbs up and share to your friends and all the new parents you know. Don't forget that your hit on the like button will drive me to do more videos. Meet you in next video with next good content. Till that, bye bye.